Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm giving a quick shout out to Tia Bella. Hey girl, you were the first to comment on my last video and I just want to say thank you so much for all of your support. So today we're doing a walkthrough. Really quickly, Makarrt sent me over these duet nail polishes, a whole bunch of them, and I'm showing you guys the different colors that come with it. These are launching tomorrow, June 1st on their website, and if you're interested, you can check my description box because I have a 15% off discount code. Makarrt gel polishes are amazing. They're super thick. All you need is literally one layer and it's good to go. I definitely recommend these if you are in the market for polishes. So like I said, everything will be linked down below in the description box. But for today's video, we're going to be using the light pink Makarrt polish. And I'm going to be using these full gel nail covers because we're doing some really cute and funky Playboy nails. So it's going to be a walkthrough. This isn't going to be a story time or anything. But right now what you see is me going in with some nail nippers, and I'm going in with this stripe tape. You can purchase this from anywhere. You can get it from Amazon, and I'll leave a link down below in the description. Everything will be linked down below, so if you are anything in the video that I'm using, just check the description box and I promise a link will be there. But as you can see, all I'm doing is I'm going in and I'm using this as my ruler or a tracer for my lines because we're doing a French, but we're doing a V-cut French style. I don't know. I need to start watching more tutorials on YouTube because at this point, I just be creating my own methods. It's probably such an easier way to do this, but this is how I do it, and it just gives me a precise line. But all I'm doing is I'm applying that tape down, making it straight and even, and making sure it aligns with the other nails I have. And then I'm going to be doing 2 layers of this. So my first layer is going to be a very thin layer, and I'm not going to put too much, and I'm going to be careful going around that striped tape. And then after I finish doing a very thin layer of this, I'm going to cure that for about 30 seconds. After that's cured, I'm going to go in again with that polish and apply a second layer. As you can see, that one layer was good. Like this polish, Makartt's gel polishes are top tier. I really love them. I love Makartt's gel polish and Beetle's gel polish, but I like Makartt's because you get more bang for your buck. Like the bottles are bigger. But after I finish applying that second coat of polish, what I'm going to do is take this whole stand and flip the whole nail upside down for 15 seconds. This is a trick I learned, but basically what this does is it evens out the nail polish. So if you have bulky areas, or if you have it thicker in one area versus another, flip it upside down and do it on a downward angle for about 15 seconds and it will be completely even. So after I finish curing that, I'm going to peel off that tape, and you want to be careful and slow when you peel it off because if you peel it off too fast, then you might peel off too much polish. But after I finish peeling off that tape, what you want to do immediately is go in with a top coat. I'm using Makartt's top coat. I love this top coat because it's not too thick. And then I'm just going to top off my nails so no dirt or dust or anything gets on the nails in the process of me doing my nails. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and top that off. So I'm just gonna be showing you guys this exact same method over again. So nothing new here. I'm just gonna sit back and let you guys watch me work, and then I will be right back. So after that's finished, I'm going to go in with my little heart-shaped glass and take some slip solution. I'm going to be using the Model 1s. Somebody corrected me, it's Model 1s. I'm going to be using the Model 1 slip solution, but if you don't have a slip solution, you can easily just use alcohol instead. I'm going to be using a Polygel brush, and this one is from the brand To Be Glam. I don't know, I like it because it's pink. But all I'm doing is wetting my brush and getting all of the excess polygel that might have been on it from before. I always make sure I dab off my brush before going in and using it. Right here, all I'm doing is topping off my nail with the top coat. I had clear polygel right next to it, but I'm not using that. I'm using this polygel, and this is in the shade Light Apricot. I'm using the Modelones polygel in the shade Light Apricot. I love this shade because it's perfect for my nails. It's like the perfect nude. And as you can see, I'm just taking a bead size, drop size amount, and I'm applying that evenly to the nail and then pressing it on. I'm not doing the whole nail because I'm kind of starting to realize that it's really not necessary. The longer the nails are, I mean, unless you had a fully clear nail, then yes, because you needed to cover the clear. But since we have polish on the other part of the nail, then it's really not necessary. And I'm just going to do that with all of my nails. As you can see, I have on this white glove, and this is for UV light protection. A tip, if you guys are doing your nails often, you want to either put on fingerless gloves or you want to do SPF. Because if you don't, your hands will age very fast in the UV light. So now what I'm doing is going in with some nail clippers, and I'm sizing those nails down a little bit because they're a little too long for my liking. If you like them this long, girl, that's for you, but I don't know, they're just a little too long for me. So I'm taking them down about, I don't know, I would say half an inch, all of my nails, and then I'm going to go in with a nail file. I love these nail files. I purchased them off of Amazon, and they will be linked down below. But you barely need them because these full nail covers, these are soft gel full nail covers, and they do all of the work for you. Here I'm just going in with some lint-free wipes and alcohol and wiping those nails down. And then after that, I'm going to be taking a Beetles matte top coat. And I'm going to be making these nails matte. I wanted to do a matte look with some bling. I don't know, matte and bling just like is like my thing. I really love it. But I love this matte top coat by Beetles Polish. And like I said, everything will be linked down below. But I'm just going to go ahead, top off my nails with this, and then cure that for about 30 to 45 seconds. So I'm going to be using these stickers that I purchased off of AliExpress. I'll try and see if I can find some Playboy stickers on Amazon for you guys and leave that down below, because AliExpress takes forever and a year. Like, it's so long, it's ridiculous. But I'm just going to be applying some of these stickers on my nails. And I'm going to be using these tweezers that I got out of a kit. I got these out of a rhinestone kit. Actually, the rhinestones I use in this video came with these tweezers. So I'll be sure to link that kit that I purchased down below as well. But for my rhinestones, I recommend using Makarrt nail art glue. I'm going to have that link. Don't use nail glue like me. I'm only using nail glue because I'm taking these nails right off. I recommend using nail art glue because nail glue will make your rhinestones not have much clarity after a minute, if that makes sense. Just don't follow me. Don't follow me by using nail glue. Use nail rhinestone art by Makartt. It's really good and it holds your stones really well. I'll have that link down below. But I purchased these stones all off of Amazon. Most of the stuff in my videos off of Amazon or Makarrt.com. But yeah, I'm just applying some stones, freestyling it, doing some chunky stones and doing some smaller stones. So I'm just going to let you guys watch me do my stone placement, and I will be right back. These nails are so beautiful. I love them. I actually really do. I think I'm actually going to do a fun fact. When I do my nails like this, I always use peel off base coat, and then I end up saving the nails. So if I ever want to do the whole set and like really wear them, then I can just easily take the nails use an e-file, scratch up the inside of my nails, and then put some nail glue on, or put some nail glue on and pop them on and wear them for the night or whatever. So yeah, I think I'm actually gonna do a second, like do the same set but on another hand and wear these nails because they're fire. Like, I really love them. But so here I'm going in with some cuticle oil, and this is a very important step. I always say that, don't forget this. It don't matter how cute your nails are. If your cuticles are dry and crusty, your nails are not cute. And voila, here are the final results. I'm so in love with them. Don't mind my middle finger. It did look a little janky, but that's because I didn't put enough polish on it. I was rushing for this video. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please don't forget to leave me a like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys for 7,000. We're gonna have a giveaway soon, and I hope you guys are having a wonderful Memorial Day. Today is Monday, so that means that I will catch you guys on Thursday. Bye.